Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best repayment strategy for Square loans. As a small business owner who's taken out a Square loan, I can tell you the system is designed to be straightforward, which means your repayment strategy has to be smart and focused. Here's the essential truth about Square loans. The total cost of the loan is a fixed fee that is set up front. This is the most important thing to understand. Unlike traditional loans with compounding interest, paying off your Square loan early does not save you any money on the total fixed fee. You will owe the same total dollar amount regardless of whether you pay it off in 3 months or 18 months. The automatic repayment system is both a blessing and a curse. Square automatically deducts a set percentage of your daily sales until the loan is paid off. On days you have high sales, you pay more. On slow days, you pay less. This flexibility is great for cash flow, especially for businesses with seasonal or fluctuating revenue. So, if paying early doesn't save you money, what is the best strategy? It's a two-part approach. Manage your cash flow and leverage the early repayment option to re-qualify for more funding. 1. Optimize your cash flow, the daily grind. You accepted a deduction rate, say 10% or 15%, from every card sale. My first piece of advice is to always budget and operate your business as if that money never existed. If your repayment rate is 15%, you need to ensure your profit margins can comfortably handle a 15% reduction in your daily sales revenue before you see the payout in your bank account. Don't rely on that 15% for your operating costs. This practice keeps your business lean and stress-free during the repayment period. 2. Strategic prepayment for growth. While you won't save money on the fee, paying off your loan early is the best way to open the door to a new loan offer sooner. Square's system is invite-only, and the fastest way to get a new offer is to fully repay your current one. If you have a sudden spike in cash, maybe a large invoice was paid, or you had an unexpectedly busy holiday season, that is a time to consider making a manual prepayment through your Square dashboard. You can pay off the entire remaining balance or make a large dent in it. I've used this strategy myself. I finished one loan well ahead of the 18-month limit, which immediately put me back into the running for a larger offer that I needed for a major equipment purchase. For me, the benefit of having access to that capital sooner outweighed the fact that I didn't save on the fixed fee. The goal isn't to save on the cost of borrowing. It's to free up your cash flow from the daily deduction and unlock your next round of funding for business growth. The key takeaway is this. Don't stress about the daily payment, but be strategic about the final payment. Keep your business running efficiently, and use extra cash flow to manually close out the loan when you are ready to apply for your next wave of investment. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.